Here Fabina borrowed from rupees 12,500. कितने रुपीस लिए? At the rate of 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest. For simple interest. किसने लिया था ये? फबीना ने लिया था. चलो उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड कर दिया. What is P? 12,500. What is R? 12%. What is time T? 3 years. So find the simple interest. PRT divide by 100. Okay, clear? चलो पहले फबीना की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं. P is equal to 12,500. R is equal to 12. T is equal to 3 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel. 12 3 जा 36. 125 into 36. 36 5 जा 180. 18. 36 2 जा 72 plus 18 90. 36 1 जा 30 plus 9 कितना आएगा? इंटरेस्ट रुपीज 4,500. सेकेंड पर्सन इज राधा. borrows the same amount for Radha for compounded annually. Radha compound interest. Same amount means rupees 12,500. Same amount for the same time. Time period is 3 years. Same period at a rate of interest R is equal to 10% compounded annually. What is the formula of compounded annually? Amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power T. Clear? P is equal to 12,500. 1 plus R 10 divided by 100 raised to power 3. 12,500. 100 ones are 100 plus 10 divided by 100 raised to power 3. 12,500 into 110 divided by 100 raised to power 3. 0 0 cancel. That is equal to 12,500. 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. 1 2 0 cancel. 125 as it is. 11 into 11 into 11, that is 11 cube. 1331 divided by 100. Okay, divide by 10. Okay, divide by 10. First we multiply 1331. 1331 into 125. 133100. 26620. 5 15 1 66. 5 7 13 1 16 1 16. आंसर कितना आएगा? 16,000 divided by 10, तो 16,637.5 rupees. That is compounded annually. Okay. First find the simple compound interest, amount minus principal. Who pay more interest? किसने ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट पे किया and by how much? कितने रुपीस ज्यादा? तो first we find the compound interest. Amount is 16,637.5 minus 12,500. 0.5 as it is. 7 minus 0 7. 3 minus 0 3. 6 minus 5 1 and 4,137 rupees. किसने ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट पे किया? राधा या फबीना ने? फबीना, क्योंकि उसने कितना इंटरेस्ट पे किया है? 4,500. बाय हाउ मच? यहाँ पे लिखेंगे therefore फबीना पे मोर इंटरेस्ट that is equal to 4,500 minus 4,137.5. okay, that answer is 362.5 rupees more. Fabina pay 362.50 rupees. Okay, clear? That is the required answer. Here, I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum, simple interest for 2 years. Amount है रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है और SI है। और SI सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के लिए प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू इज ₹12,000, rate of interest is 6%, R is equal to 6%, SI means simple interest for 2 years, time is equal to 2 years. I borrowed ₹12,000 from Jamshed. मैंने जमशेद से 12,000 रुपीज 6% पर एनुअली सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से मैंने 2 years के लिए है। ओके, then find the interest. Simple interest is PRT by 100. P is equal to 12,000, R is equal to 6 and T is equal to 2. Divide by 100. 0, 0 cut. 6 2s are 12 into 120. 120 multiply 12. 12 into 12, 144, 0. So simple interest is ₹1,440 rupees. Clear? Had I borrowed this sum, means this sum is principal value. For compound interest, principal value is ₹12,000 at a rate of 6%. For this sum, means principal value this, R is equal to 6% for annually simple interest, compound interest, that is a compound interest. Okay, in the same time period, 2 years. Okay, what extra amount would have to pay? हमें कितने ज्यादा रुपीस पे करने पड़ेंगे? क्योंकि सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट दोनों का सेम है, पर इसमें हमें क्या होगा, इंटरेस्ट कम होगा। कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट ऑलवेज क्या होता है, ज्यादा होता है। फॉर द टाइम पीरियड भी सेम है, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट भी सेम है और प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट भी सेम है, तब जाके हमें कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट पे करना पड़ेगा, और कितना ज्यादा वो हमें फाइंड करना है। व्हाट इज अमाउंट फॉर्मूला फॉर एन्युअली? P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to T. P is 12,000. 1 plus R means 6, divided by 100 raised to T. 100 multiply with 1, 12,000. 100 with the 1 plus 6 upon 100 square. 100 plus 6, 106 by 100 raised to power 2, that is 12,000. 53 twos are 100. 53 multiply 53 2 times and 50 into 50. 0 0 cut. 24 5s are 120. 53 into 53, that is 2809. 24 into 2809 by 5. 24 को 2809 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। 24 9 are 216, 2, 24 into 28, it is 672, 672 plus 2, 674, divide by 5, 13, 2, 8, 3.2 rupees. इतने रुपीस अमाउंट पे करना पड़ेगा। Then find compound interest, amount minus principal. हमें कितना रुपीस, what extra amount would I have to pay? कितने एक्स्ट्रा रुपीस सिंपल इंटरेस्ट से ज्यादा पे करने पड़ेंगे? तो 13,283.2 minus 12,000, that is equal to 1,000. Just a minute, यहां पे आएगा 4 और 4 रहा 8, यस 14,483 रुपीज। तो 1,483.2 rupees is compound interest. And how many rupees to more pay? That is subtraction of compound interest and simple interest. Then we pay more. I pay more rupees, more pay, more amount, that is equal to 1483.20 minus 1440, that is equal to 43.20 rupees to more pay of compound interest. Okay, Vasudevan invested rupees 60,000. Principal value is 60,000 at an interest rate of 12%. तो 12% हमारा इंटरेस्ट रेट है पर एनम R is equal to 12%. Compounded half yearly for compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly means semi annually. ओके ऐसा लिख सकते हैं साथ में सेमी एन्युअली otherwise 6 months for 6 months. What amount would he get after 6 months? 6 months means there is a time period. Time period is equal to 6 months. 6 months that is equal to half year हुआ? Yes or no? 6 divided by 12 year. 6 months means क्या होगा? Half year. First one. P into 1 plus R by क्या आएगा? 200 raised to 2T. आएगा 200. P is equal to 60,000. R is equal to 12 divided by 200. 2 into time period क्या है? 1 by 2. 2 cut. Okay. That is 60,000. 200 1 जा 200 plus 12 divided by 200 raised to power 1. 60,000. 212 divided by 200, 0, both 0 cut, 600 by 2, or that is equal to 106, 212 by 2, that is 106. So 600 into 106, 106 6 are 636 or 20. How many rupees to pay? 63,600 rupees pay after 6 months. Okay, and second for second one. कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली है टाइम पीरियड क्या है अब 1 ईयर दैट इज ए इज इक्वल टू पी 1 प्लस आर बाय 200 रेज टू 2t एंड टाइम t इज इक्वल टू 1 ईयर t इज इक्वल टू 1 ईयर 1 प्लस r 12 डिवाइड बाय 200 2 into 1 200 ones are 200 plus 12 divided by 200 raised to power 2. 60,000. 212 by 200 raised to power 2. हम कट शॉर्ट नहीं करते अभी. 60,000. 212 by 200. 212 by 200. 1 2 3 4 0 कैंसल. 2 3 और यहाँ पे 106. 106. 106 into 212 करना पड़ेगा. 106 into 3 that is 318. 318 0 0 6 और 63 फिर 2120 8 2 जा 16 1 8 plus 1 9 और 16 8 1 2 4 carry digit 1 7 or 6 that we pay out the amount of 67,418 rupees at the end of the 1 year. For the first 6 months we have to pay rupees 63,600 and after 1 year Vasudevan pay rupees 67,418 rupees for the required answer. Okay. Arif took a loan for rupees 80,000 from a bank. बैंक में से लोन ली 80,000 से. If the rate of interest is 10%, R कितना है? 10%. For compounded annually. Annually. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n आएगा, n अदरवाइज T। यहाँ पे फॉर 1.5 ईयर है, तो पहले 1 ईयर के फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद हाफ ईयर का, फिर दोनों का एडिशन। ओके चलो, प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू इज 80,000, 1 प्लस R इज 10% पर एनम, कंपाउंडेड 1.5 ईयर है, सबसे पहले 1 ईयर का फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद हम हाफ ईयर का फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो 100 into 100 plus 10 divided by 100 raised to 1, 80,000 into 110, 100 plus 10, 10 cancel, 11 8 is 88, 1 2 or 3 0. After 1 year the amount is rupees 88,000. फॉर हाफ ईयर के लिए हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। ओके, फ्रैक्शन में जो भी नंबर हो फॉर हाफ ईयर, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू पी आर टी अपन 100। व्हाट इज पी? अब हमारा पी क्या होगा? 88,000 पी हो जाएगा, नहीं कि 80,000। दैट विल बी रिमेंबर। आर इज इक्वल टू 10%। टाइम पीरियड कितना है? 1 ईयर का फाइंड हो गया, हाफ ईयर 1/2 डिवाइड बाय 100, 10 कैंसल, दैट इज 4400। ऐसा ही कितना आया? 4400। देन वी पे टोटल अमाउंट, देयरफॉर टोटल अमाउंट कितनी हो गई हमारी? टोटल अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू 88,000 प्लस 4,400। 88 प्लस 4 क्या होगा? दैट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 92,400 at the end of the 1.5 year for compounded annually. For compounded annually, ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर है। सेकंड, फॉर कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली, कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली। ओके, फॉर कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली, what is the formula? A is equal to P 1 plus R by 200 raised to 2t. 1.5 year means time period 1.5 year. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3/2 years. टाइम पीरियड क्या हो जाएगा हाफ ईयरली के लिए? 3/2। P is equal to 80,000, 1 plus R means 10% है रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, डिवाइड बाय 200 रेज़ टू 2, और टाइम पीरियड क्या है? 3/2। 2 2 कट, 200 1s are 200 plus 10 divided by 200 raised to power 3. Okay, raised to power 3, that is 80,000 into 200, 10 by 200 raised to power 3, 0 0 cut, that is 21 by 20, write it 3 times. 1 by 20, 20, 1 by 20, 21 by 20, 1 2 3 0 cut, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 10s are 80. So 10 into 21 into 21 into 21, that is 21 cube, that is 9261. That we pay up to rupees 92,610 rupees at the end of the 1.5 year compounded half yearly. और यहाँ पे कितना आया? 92,400. Find the difference of the in amount. Therefore, the difference of amount, the difference of amount of half yearly and annually, half yearly and annually, that is equal to half yearly पहले आएगा minus annually, 92,400, and that answer is 210 rupees. Difference of compounded half yearly will pay more rupees. Okay, चलो, मारिया इन्वेस्टेड रुपीज 8,000 इन ए बिजनेस। कितने परसेंट, कितने रुपए से बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया? 8,000 rupees से she would be pay interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. 5% per annum compounded annually. Find the amount credited against her name at the end of the 2 years. Means time period कितना लेना? 2. Principal 8,000 और rate of interest is 5%. P is equal to rupees 8,000. R is equal to 5%. Time period is equal to 2 years. For compounded annually. Okay. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power T. What is P? 8,000. R is equal to 5. 100 raised to power 2. Okay. That is 8,000. 100 1 is 100 plus 5 divided by 100 raised to power 2. So 8,000. 105 divided by 100 raised to power 2. 25 is 21 5 is that is 21 into 21 divided by 20 into 20. 2 0 cancel. 2 2 is 4. 24 is 80. So 441 into 2 into 20. How many rupees will to pay at the end of the 2 years? At the end of the second year, we have to pay rupees 8,820. ओके चलो अब देखो ये समझना है द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द थर्ड ईयर ओनली क्या फाइंड करना है इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द थर्ड ईयर तो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट की फॉर्मूला से भी कर सकते हैं SI is equal to PRT per 100. What is P? P is equal to 8,820. Otherwise amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to T. T3 लेके भी कर सकते हैं उसमें जो वैल्यू है और ए वैल्यू सेकेंड ईयर की वैल्यू और थर्ड ईयर का अमाउंट का सब्ट्रैक्शन करना उस मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं ओके फॉर थर्ड ईयर का सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द थर्ड ईयर देन वी अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला ऑफ SI ओनली PRT अपॉन 100 और टाइम पीरियड क्या लेना सेकेंड ईयर से हम थर्ड ईयर में गए हैं तो टाइम पीरियड इज ओनली 1 ईयर time period is only 1 year okay what is the principal value 8,820 R is equal to 5% टाइम पीरियड कितना लेना सेकंड ईयर का अमाउंट आ गया अब थर्ड ईयर का फाइंड करना है तो 3 ईयर माइनस 2 ईयर दैट इज 1 ईयर 100 0 0 कट 5 2 is 10 आंसर कितना आएगा 441 रुपीज at the end of the third year okay therefore the interest of third year is equal to rupees 441 okay that is the second question answer and that is the answer of the first question okay clear how to solve find the amount find करनी है CIB find करना है for principal rupees 10,000 for 1.5 year time is equal to 1.5 years that is equal to 3 by 2 years 10% per annum R is equal to 10% compounded half yearly चलो फॉर कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली के लिए फाइंड करते हैं कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 raised to 2T P की वैल्यू 10,000 R की वैल्यू 10 divided by 200 raised to 2 into 3 by 2 2 cancel okay 200 बन जा 200 plus 10 divided by 200 raised to power 3 that is 10,000 210 upon 200 raised to power 3 0 0 cut that is equal to 10,000 into 21, 21, 21, 20 into 20 into 20. 1, 2, 3, 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10. 5 into 21 cube 9261 डिवाइड बाय क्या करना पड़ेगा 4. तो 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13, 1 46,305 divided by 4, that is equal to 11 5 2 5 3 7 और 2 6.25 11,576.25 rupees you have to pay at the end of the 3.5 year compounded half yearly. For compounded annually, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to T. P 10,000, R is equal to 10 और 1.5 year है, पहले 1 year का फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. 10,000 100 plus 10 110 by 100 raised to 1 0 0 cut 1,000 into 11, that is 11,000 rupees at the end of the 1 year. And for half year, find a simple interest. PRT upon 100. What is P? Here P is 11,000. R is equal to 10%. Time period is for 1.5 year. 0 0 cut. That is 550. SI is equal to कितना होगा 550 rupees. And total amount is equal to P plus SI. That is equal to P principal value 11,000 plus 550. That is 11,550 rupees by compounded annually. और इसमें कितना रुपीस हमें पे करना था 11,576. Then would this interest he more the interest or he would get it annually? Yes. Compounded half yearly is more than compounded annually. Compounded annually. That is equal to 11,576.25 minus 11,550. कितना रुपीस पे ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा 26.25 rupees will be more pay. Okay.